Hello students, I hope you saw the last video. In that video I showed how to solve the linear equations in two variables with the help of substitution method. But single video is not sufficient to understand the substitution method because different types of questions will be there in the exercises in the book. In the NCERT also we'll find different type of questions based on different methods. So I want to take one more video. I want to record one more video based on substitution method. So today also I'll take your class of substitution method. Substitution method. In this video I want to teach you like a tuition teacher. Tuition teacher usually write in notebooks and they explain individually. So this video will be helpful to learn you as you are writing individually in your classes. So I'll not waste much time and I'll take the question number 3. We solved 2 questions in previous class. So I'm taking the question 2x plus 3y is equals to 9 and 3x plus 4y is equals to 5. You can give the name of this equation. So I am giving the name. This is first and this is second. So you can use first equation or second equation as per your choice. So I'm taking from equation 1 the value of any one variable. So I took 2x plus 3y is equals to 9. Try to understand the equation. You can take the value of any variable. If you want to take the value of x, you can take. If you want to take the value of y, you can take. So I'm taking here the value of y only. So I'm keeping y, the term of y this side, and 9x same, and I'm sending this 2x to right hand side. So I found the value of y in this manner. In some way this video will be helpful for you in writing way also. How to write in examination to get the maximum marks in clear way. So you have to follow this way of writing in examination also. So I took first equation. If we took the value of any variable from first equation, we cannot keep the value in same equation. So we have to keep in other equation the value of variable in other equations. So I am taking second equation number 2. This is 3x, this 4y is equals to 5, and I'm writing 3x same, this 4 same, and the value of y is 9 minus 2x upon 3 is equals to 5. This 3x same. If we multiply 4 to 9, what will come? 36, and 4 multiplied by 2, 8 upon 3 same is equals to 5. You can take 1 under 3x. So the LCM of 3 and 1 will be 3. If we divide 3 by 1, what will come? 3 will come. So 3 multiplied by 3, 9x, plus 3 divided by 3, 1. So this quantity will come same. 36 minus 8x is equals to 5. This 3 will be multiplying to this 5. So what will come? This is 9x plus 36 minus 8x is equals to 5 multiplied by 3, 15. 9x minus 8x, what will come? Only x, and is equals to this 15 and this minus 36. We'll send this 36 to right hand side. So x is equals to 36 minus 15, what will come? 11, but negative 11. Sorry, 21 minus 21. So we found the value of x. Now from equation number 3, y equals to 9 minus 2x upon 3. So 9 minus 2 into minus 21. The value of x we found earlier. 9 minus 2 multiplied by minus 21. So what will come? Plus 42 by 3. So what will come here? 42 plus 9. 42 plus 9, 51 divided by 3. So what will come? What will come? 3 divides 51. What will come? 17. So y equals to 17. We'll declare the answer. Solution: x is equals to and y equals to minus 21 and 17. Now I'm taking one more question for better understanding. Next question is coming: x upon 7 plus y upon 3 is equals to 5, and x upon 2 minus y upon 9 is equals to 6. In this question we are observing the question is same, but only the calculation is different. So first of all, we want to make the question in simple way. So simplified equation will be easy to solve. So I am taking first equation. So LCM of 7 and 3. What will come LCM of 7 and 3? 21. This 21. 7 divide 21. What will come? 3. So this is 3x, and this is 3 divides 21. What will come? 7. 7y is equals to 5. So equation will be 3x plus 7y is equals to 5 multiplied by 21, 105. This is the first equation. Now x upon 2 minus y upon 9 equals to 6. So I will take the LCM of 2 and 9. So what will come LCM? 18. 18. So we will divide 18 by 2. So what will come? 9. And 9 divides 18. So what will come? 2 equals to 6. So 9x minus 2y is equals to 18 multiplied by 6. This 21 multiplies in same way. Here 18 multiplied by 6. So what will come? Say 18 6 are 108. 108. This is equation number 2. Now we'll solve these two equations by substitution method. So I'll write all two equations together. Now, as we solved in previous questions, in same way, in similar manner, we solve this question also. So I am taking this. This is first equation. This is second equation. It is up to your choice. You can take first equation or second equation. So I am taking from equation 1. 3x plus 7y is equals to 105. So this is 7y will be same here, 105 same. I am sending this 3x this side. So y is equals to 105 minus 3x and divided by 7. So this is the equation number 3rd. Okay. Now put the value of y in equation number 2, because we found this value of y from equation number 1, so we cannot keep the value in same equation. So equation number 2 is 9x minus 2y is equals to 108. So here I'll write 9 x same minus 2 in the place of y. Will write 105 minus 3x upon 7 equals to 108. Now we'll continue. 9x multiply 105 by 2. So what will come? 210 minus this minus and this minus, negative, positive. This is 6x upon 7 and equals to 108. So now I'm taking LCM of 1 and 7. So this 1 divides 7, so what will come? 7 9 is 63, and this is 210 and plus 6x same is equals to 108. 63 plus 6, 69x minus 210 is equals to 108 multiplied by 7. This 7 will go in this way. 69x minus 210 is equals to, what will come? 756. 69x is equals to 756 plus 210. 69x is equals to, so here 756, 966. So x is equals to 966 upon 69. So x is equals to 3 2 is 6, 339, 339, 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6. 23 divided by 322 divided by 23 is what will come? 14.